Save it, pal!
Huh?
You don't know the first thing about Ryuga, you nasty little ogre! Huh? Whoa, Jinga! I have put my life on the line to battle Ryuga in the past many times, and I can't say he was ever really our ally. Ryuga underwent training that none of us could even imagine. He had to in order to gain the power he had. He was no different than every blader who wants to be the best. Yes, sir! He was surely stronger than any of us in the end. Ryuga was my strongest rival, and he's irreplaceable!